So you want to figure out what is the first digit and count them up. Maybe one or the other thing you want to do. But I want to know why you're doing it. I'm doing this because I'm looking for fraud. Essentially, Benford's law says that out of any data set, any large data set that spans multiple orders of magnitude, the first digit is more likely to be lower than higher, meaning like somewhat around 30% of all of these numbers are going to start with the number 1. It's just like a thing with numbers. And this Benford's law says that, but I want to see it in person. So what I'm going to do is I have the population, world population in 2026 right here, listed every single country, and I want to get the first digit. So how I get the first digit is equals left, and then the string is wherever cell has the information I want. So I'm going to reference this, C5. I'm going to hit comma, and all I'm going to do is the number 1. That means it's getting 1 character length, but it's starting at the left of the number. So even if it's 100 or 200 or 300, it's getting the first number. If it's 10 billion, it's getting the first number, number 1. And so I'm going to hit enter there, and I'm going to copy and paste this all the way down, but I still don't know what the actual number is. So I'm going to count them up. So here in B2, I have 1 above it. So I'm going to do equals COUNTIF, and my range is going to be a column, comma, and I'm going to select the 1 in B1 as the reference. I could put the number 1 here, but I want to have this as a reference, and there's 66. Now if I copy and paste, I'll get 0, but that's not 0. We need to do something. We need to add a $sign in front of this letter, and then we can copy and paste all the way over, and it gets us numbers. And you can right away see there are bigger numbers here, 1 through 5, than 6 through 9. But let's see the exact number. I want to see the percentage equals this B2 divided by the sum of B2, got to add a parentheses there, sum of B2 to J2. And again, if I just end parentheses, hit enter, I'm not going to get the right answer. This is very weird that this all adds up to 134%. I need to add $signs in front of the B, the 2, the J, the 2, and that means that that's going to hold that range no matter what I do to copy and paste. However, the first number, or the first reference, C2, see, that's changed, B2, C2. This is changing. So now I can copy paste this all the way across, and I get each individual percentage of this count. Isn't that cool? Yes, 28.2%. That's very close to 30%. And you can see right here, 1 through 4 is 67% of the numbers. 6 through 9, 20%. Wow. Really, really cool thing in Benford's law. And you learn how to count the first digit. You're watching Better Sheets here on YouTube. Make sure you check out this video or this video and subscribe right now to get more tips, tricks, how-tos. Get more out of your Google Sheets than you ever have before. I'm excited to be making a ton more videos here. Ask me questions down in the comments and I will answer them in future videos. But for right now, right here, one of these videos is going to be your next Google Sheet.